Hey guys, today I will show you another quick tip on how to reset your oil service light on any kind of early 2000s BMW. BMW e46, 39, e53, even 7 series. So first things first, you need to press and hold this left knob. As you can see, the light turned on. And then you need to turn your key to the first position. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, it's in the first position. Keep holding it till it flash. Alright, so now as you can see, inspection, I'm way past the limit, but I changed my oil, but I just forgot to reset this indicator. So now as we can see, inspection, reset, and now you need to press and hold it once again. Keep holding it. And now when it's flashing, just press it, and as you can see, 25,000 kilometers. That's it. Now we can turn it off, turn it on again, and it's reset. So thank you very much guys for watching, and see you in the next one.